Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
What Perspectives Excel 2019 module for San Alanis Park Department Analyze and Chart Financial Data. Getting started. Open the file NP Excel 19 for a first last name 1 Alex Excels available for download from the same website. Save the file as NP Excel 29 99 Excel 19 for a first last name to XLS by changing the 1 to or 2x. If you do not see the XLS file extension in the save as dialog box, do not type it. The program will add the file extension for you automatically with the file np XL19 for a first name to XLS still open. Ensure that your first and last name is displayed in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. If cell B6 does not display or name, delete the file and download a new copy from the same website. P project steps. Good run Duplices is a manager in the Alanis Parks department. Goodrun is compiling spending data in preparation for a city bond offering for park funding. She wants to use Excel to create charts to illustrate some of her data and to apply a function to calculate the potential monthly and yearly costs to the city of different bond secondaries. Switch to the spending worksheet in the range E5 E10. Add conditional formatting to show solid blue data bars in the range F5 F10. Add lines per lines based on the data in the range B5 E10. Apply the blue as at one target. Good run. 25% in fifth column, fifth row in the theme colors plate sparkline color to the range F5 F10. Good run has created a pie chart representing the percentage of the park's budget that went to each park in 2018. Modify the chart in the range G2 020 as follows. Double X into 2018 park spending as percentage of total. As the chart title, change the data labels to include the category as well as the percentage and position the labels in the outside and location. Remove the legend from the chart. Good run would like a pie chart representing the percentage of the park's budget that would go to each park in 2021. Create a 2D pie chart based on the data in the range E5 E9 and using the category labels in the range as A9 option where resize and reposition the chart so that the upper left corner is located within cell G21 and the lower right corner is located within cell 039, and then left align the chart with the pie chart above it in the range G2 025 CONC. Correct answer is to analyze the financial data and create charts in Excel 2019 module for the San Alanis Parks department. Number 1, apply solid blue data bars to range E5 E10 option 2. Number 2, add line spot lines in F5 F10 with blue as it one darker 25% color. Number 3, modify the 2018 park spending chart. Set title as 2018 park spending as percentage of total. Include category and percentage in data labels at outside and location and remove the legend. Number 4, create a 2D pie chart in G21 039 based on the data in E5 E9 and category labels in A5 A9. Left align the new chart with the previous one.
So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.